Hey, what's going on, guys? I was sent this 2-pack of cutting board racks or holders for free so I can check them out and let you know what I think about it. And it's actually right on time for me because I have this little weird space over here that I really can't find a good use for, and I always end up leaving random stuff on top of my stove. So I figured I'm gonna go ahead and set these over there, put these things in it. I don't have actual cutting board that I'm using, but stuff from the microwave that comes out, the inserts or whatever. So I'll set this up, put those over there so you can see. But a couple other things I want to point out for you that's pretty cool is on the bottom of these, they have these little rubber like pads. You can see they're kind of like spacers. They can come off, so you can move them somewhat around. But that's really good for, like, if I were to set it on my glass top counter stove, or on my glass top stove, or on my counter, or on your counter, it gives it a little bit of extra protection so you're not scratching up your undersurface there. So I do like that. And I also like that the slots that it comes with, there's different sizes. So if you have different size cookie sheets or cutting boards or whatever you're putting in there, you have options. So now I'll go ahead and set up so you can see what they actually look like. Put those there. That slide there, nice and easy. Cookie sheet fits in there perfect. Put that in there. So you can see, I mean, I put those few things in there. There's obviously still plenty of slots left over with having the 2-pack, but it just makes a really big difference, I think, being able to have that instead of just having it sit on top of the stove. It's not in the way anymore. So, I mean, I think it's a really good investment. I think for the price of these, it definitely can't go wrong. So, yeah, so that's how I use them, and I just wanted to give you that look. Thanks.